I have no problem with you. I don't know if you're a U.S. citizen. I don't know if you're a Mexican citizen. I don't care. I'm not ICE. I'm not deporting people. Do you understand that? Okay? So now are you going to look at me like a man and have a conversation with me? Or are you going to keep looking at the wall? Sit down! I'm going to tell you right now.
Ohio, September 2025. 1 driver, 1 traffic stop, 1 decision to run, 10 criminal charges, including a felony. Watch what the law says about every moment that followed.
Sit down! Sit down! Correction continuing through Salvo. Good pit, good pit. On the ground! Got it. Got it. Questions and Teller Drive.
I love you, man. I love you, madre. Allá nos vemos. Ya sabe dónde está la feria ahí para... Usted ya sabe.
Come on up.
Órale, pues. Órale,
On your
pues.
side. Come on.
Back there. I love you, Ama. I love you.
Lean forward. Lean forward. All you had to do is pull over, man.
Nah, man.
Cool.
I love you, Ama. Yeah. Don't me in there, bro.
Sit down.
It ain't gonna be nothing.
You're under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can in a court of law.
Can you pull my
Sit down.
face up? Yeah,
You're asking for favors now?
No.
Yeah.
I'm asking for my right.
Sit down.
Or you want
Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah, I'm not refusing. Y'all can though. That's for sure.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and you...
Right.
Alright, that's fine.
Got the right to take me to jail.
Knock it off.
Yo, I know my right.
Knock it off.
Hit me, homie.
Why do I need to hit you? I just said knock it off. Shut the... Knock it off! Go ahead and take him back to the station.
Under Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.331, willfully eluding an officer after a visible signal to stop is a felony of the 4th degree when the flight creates a substantial risk of harm, carrying 6 to 18 months and a mandatory 2-year license suspension. Running a red light during pursuit satisfies that threshold automatically. The original offense, 63 and a 45, was a fine and 2 points. The decision to flee converted it into a felony prosecution. The PIT maneuver is evaluated under Graham versus Connor, 1989. Reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment, not in hindsight. A fleeing felon running traffic signals at elevated speed justifies the deployment. Legally sound. Post-pit, the subject verbally surrendered repeatedly. At that point, the threat level dropped. Continuing hard control against a compliant subject opens civil liability under Title 42, Section 1983. The officer's transition to soft escort was correct.
Stop. Get out. Get out.
Why? You gonna drag me out? You gonna put my
Get
face
out.
in the pavement?
Come on.
Is that what you want to do?
I'd really rather not. I wish. You would have just stopped your car.
I know.
And we could have had a conversation like civil adults. But
You want to put my face in the
Come on.
pavement? Yeah, I know that's what you want to do, homie.
that's not what I want to do. Come on inside.
Punk ass.
In here. Go ahead and take a seat.
You gonna keep this?
Yep.
Hey, you're a rookie. I can smell the rookie on you.
Dude, shut up and sit down.
My boy, you're gonna come in here and be my cat. That little white boy is a rookie.
Sit down. Sit down! I'm going to tell you right now. Sit down. Sit down.
Give it up, homie.
Sit down.
You got it, homie.
Sit.
You got it, homie.
I'm going to tell you how this is going to happen. You're going to cooperate, or we're going to take you, we're going to put you in jail as John Doe, okay? Sit down! Now!
You got it, homie.
Sit.
I'm not.
Do you understand me? Look at me.
I'm not.
You're scared now. Look at me.
I'm not resisting.
Look at me.
I'm not scared.
Look at me. Look at me.
I'm not resisting.
Look me in the eyes,
I'm
bud.
not resisting.
I'm going to tell you how this is going to
I'm not
go.
resisting.
All right. You're going to act like a child. I will treat you like a
You
child.
wanna put my face in the concrete? Go ahead.
I'm not trying to put your face in the... Sit down and listen.
I'm not resisting.
All right. You can go to jail as a John Doe. You can sit in jail for 2 weeks while we figure out who you are. How does that sound? Or you can calm down. You can cooperate. We can have conversations like normal adults. I have nothing against you. I wish you would have stopped your car. This wouldn't have been a big deal if you had. But you know what? We're here. You made the decisions you did. All right? This isn't on me. This is on you. You're a grown adult. You make adult decisions. You made a bad one tonight.
It was a rap.
What was that?
It was a rap anyways.
Okay. It was a bad decision tonight, okay? Nothing says you would have gone to jail tonight had you not done everything that happened just now, okay? I would have preferred not to take you to jail. In fact, I have nothing against you. I have no problem with you. I don't know if you're a U.S. citizen. I don't know if you're a Mexican citizen. I don't care. I'm not ICE. I'm not deporting people. Do you understand that? Okay? So now are you going to look at me like a man and have a conversation with me? Or are you going to keep looking at the wall?
I'm gonna look at you like a man.
Okay. I've got nothing against you. Do you understand that? I have no problems with you. I don't want to have all this nonsense extra. All right? The more you cooperate with me, the better I can be to you. The less you cooperate with me, it's a straight shot to the jail. It's not a good day. You understand that? I want to make this day better for you, although it's already started out on a bad foot. Do you need a cup of water or anything? If you cooperate with me, those handcuffs can come off. You can sit here, you can relax, okay? If you start fighting with me again, arguing with me, they go right back on. We put you in the car, we go straight to the jail. Okay? Give me 5 minutes, I'll get you a cup of water. So,
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
hey, we're all humans, right? I'm not a big deport everyone supporter. I don't believe in that, okay? I don't even think what you did is worthy of that. Because you know what, at the end of the day, American citizens do this every single day as well. And we don't deport them. I don't know if you're a U.S. citizen. I don't know if you're a Mexican citizen. I don't know, nor do I. I have to find out now because of this interaction.
I'm just scared, man.
I get it. I get it. But I got to tell you, we stop people every day who are not U.S. citizens. And the vast majority of them get a traffic ticket and go about their day. All right? I get it. I know you're scared. But adding to the problem doesn't make it any better, does it? Even if you are drunk right now, which you might have had a little bit to drink. I can't say for certain you're drunk. Even if that's the case, they still go about their day.
I'm scared.
I get it.
I know what's going to me, and I'm scared, and that's the only reason I did.
Miranda versus Arizona, 1966, requires a clean custodial advisement before any interrogation. The officer delivered it, but it was interrupted multiple times by live dialogue. This creates a record problem. Under Burgess versus Tompkins, 2010, a suspect must affirmatively and unambiguously invoke the right to silence. The subject said, "I got the right to remain silent mid-confrontation," not as a clear assertion. A court would likely find that ambiguous and admissible. The John Doe booking threat is legally permissible. Officers may detain unidentified subjects pending verification, stating a lawful consequence of non-cooperation does not constitute coercion under the Fifth Amendment. On immigration, absent a 287G interagency agreement, local Ohio officers have no obligation to initiate federal immigration proceedings for a traffic stop. The officer's statement, "I'm not ICE," was legally accurate. Fear of deportation, however genuine, is not a defense to willful flight under Ohio law.
It didn't have to go that direction, though. Do you have warrants for your arrest or anything?
No.
Have you been in trouble before? And I'm talking like actual trouble, like crimes, not driving without a license or driving under suspension or operating while impaired. That is a crime, but it's...
I'm just scared, man. I know. Thank you.
Thank you.
For being cool.
Dude,
I appreciate
my wife is Hispanic. I'm not racist. I'll let you know that right now. I got nothing against you. That song that came on when we were driving back here, that was playing before I tried to pull you over. That's a playlist I have on my cell phone. So just calm down, man. Take a breath. We still got a bunch of paperwork to do. We're gonna be here for a minute, okay? So you realize, if we can't confirm who you are, you do still go on as John Doe. If you lie about your identity, one, that's going to be another charge. Right now, you make sure you tell me everything accurately. It's not another charge. I'm not going to charge you with it. But if you lie to me, I will, okay?
But why do you think I'm going to know that name?
Well, because you told me your name is and that you've had, tickets in Franklin County. Your birth date has never had a ticket, okay? We can look that up. Also, Delaware County looked you up, didn't see anything. So, is your name... You're not lying with me?
No.
Okay. We're trying to get it figured out, all right?
10 charges at booking: felony eluding, OVI, driving under suspension, no valid license, furnishing false information, open container, plus speeding, marked lanes, reckless operation, and disobeying a traffic control device. Every charge beyond the first flows from one decision. The officer receives a B+. Probable cause was clear. PIT force was proportionate. Station de-escalation was the standout: calm, direct, no unnecessary force. The grade falls short of an A solely on Miranda delivery. An interrupted advisement is a suppression hearing the prosecution now has to defend. The subject receives a C+. Fear is not a legal defense under Ohio Revised Code 2921.331. Willfulness is established the moment a driver accelerates from a signaling officer. Credit for verbal surrender, no physical resistance, and eventual cooperation. That candor matters at sentencing. 3 lessons. 1. Flight multiplies charges, it never reduces them. 2. Miranda must be delivered uninterrupted with a confirmed waiver before any questioning begins. 3. De-escalation works. The officer's composure in that room closed a situation that physical force had already opened. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.